Boom, AMC is up 5.71%, and haters in the comment section will continue to lose money. Every single thing that we called out overnight is exactly happening to a T. GameStop is up 3.62%, AMC is up 5.71%. Wicked out of this parallel channel, this ascending parallel channel, but I called out $4.81, and that is exactly where we are fighting to break out of. Yes, we did wick above, but we came back down and are hugging this level at $4.81, which is going to be a major decision zone. Now, with volume coming in here on AMC, this looks like the final test for a breakout for AMC to squeeze higher. Now, what price targets did I give on AMC, since this is actually happening right now? The first major price target is going to be $6.31, but the ultimate price target that I'm going to be looking at is $13.30 for a potential top on this move. Now, this doesn't include if we see some sort of algorithm break alongside GameStop as well. I see between $46 up here and $64 all the way up here at the recent highs of GameStop. Again, that doesn't include an algorithm break. This is just the first levels that I see, which from where we're trading at now is a 59% gain or a 119% gain, which is exactly what XRP, Ethereum Classic, so on and so forth are doing, right? I've been talking about it for years. XRP, Ethereum Classic, AMC, they all track each other, right? Their charts are absolutely identical. And we have recently seen that XRP has gotten an absolutely explosive move, but Ethereum Classic is finally moving higher, which we have been talking about and waiting for. And I did take entry because I see it going higher than where it's trading at today, even though it is up 7.5%, trading at $30.95, basically $31. It is fighting the 618 on the fib. Next up is the 786, and then ultimately the 1, which is my price target, which is up 26% from here. So I'm taking that 26% gain as soon as we hit my price target around $30 on Ethereum Classic. And I think that is going to come to fruition alongside almost every other large cap altcoin that has ran about 130% or so. Ethereum Classic is lagging a little bit behind. XRP actually outperformed, coming up about 225%. And this doesn't have to be the top for XRP. Now, we are going to talk a little bit about crypto later on, but GameStop, AMC are looking absolutely beautiful, and I added to my calls. If you want to know the specifics of that, I drop my trades as soon as I take them in Discord. Now, Treehouse Brewing is back, and they say it is a big week, fam. Let's get it started with the overwhelmingly juicy and pineapple forward Greeeeeen, okay? They are back at it again. They continue to tweet some symbolic things for GameStop or the green moves that it's about to have, right? They had the headband on Roaring Kitty, and then they had the previous things that we talked about over on Treehouse Brewing, right? Maybe they're just playing into it, or maybe they're actually part of the game. Now, AMC Theaters' total revenue domestically on the pre-Thanksgiving weekend is the highest in AMC's 104-year history, and coming in December, wicked sing-alongs. Okay, so AMC is popping off fundamental-wise, just having a great week coming into the holidays. So be thankful for the stocks that you hold. Be thankful for the information that you get on YouTube as a free platform. We are here to make some money, and if you feel like you've been losing money, we're going to point you in the right direction right now. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn post notifications on. Now, AMC's on-balance volume is exploding. Okay, we have seen institutions load up on GameStop, but now we are seeing more and more people add on to their AMC position, probably because they are finally getting confirmation of a move up. Now, this isn't exact confirmation, I want to warn you, on AMC as well as GameStop. They are both fighting resistance levels. $4.81, and GameStop is fighting that $30 level. There is no confirmation of a move for the rest of the week yet, but based off of everything that we have been talking about and we have been tracking, it's likely to see that move this weekend, next week, okay? So I do still stand by that. Now, you literally cannot make this up. Called out perfectly to a T, and I'm not buttering up my own biscuit here. I'm just saying, guys, stick with the channel and the haters will continue to lose money. Cassava Sciences, we have said you cannot make this up. I overlaid this. I did not touch my charts. I said Cassava Sciences is due for a big dump, a big dump based on the cycles, and that is what happens every time you leave this green cycle back to back to back to back, and that's why I have a copy and pasted bars pattern right here. I had Cassava Sciences coming eventually down to $2 during this next cycle, and we are now down to $4.74. What happened? We're down 82% on this squeeze play. Short sellers already, I believe, are like half the float into this thing, half the float deep, and now they're probably going to short it all the way and get this thing close to delisting. I don't think it's going to get delisted right off rip. I think we're going to have another opportunity for another squeeze. We're going to talk about that in 1 second. But Cassava Sciences plummets 84% after embattled Alzheimer's drug flop. So basically, they launched a medicine and the trials failed, and now Cassava Sciences is plummeting. They knew this was coming, right? It's on the cycle period, okay? Cassava Sciences, the institutions, insiders, they all knew this was happening. This is just a catalyst to, justify the dump, if you will, okay? We all knew this was coming. Now, if Cassava Sciences plays through an entire cycle, it's going to take a bit, probably till September of 2025, before we're ready to see another massive move up. But until then, what I can tell you is Cassava Sciences is likely to find an entry point around January of 2025 or very late December for a nice large move up, $9.10, okay? Being conservative, I still see a move up to $9.10 on Cassava Sciences, which is about 240% move, and I will be taking entry late December on this move. So that's another thing to point out. Blackberry, ticker symbol BB, has been moving up 5.74%, trading at $250. This is just another stock that follows AMC and GameStop, and we could see a nice move to the upside. Keep in mind, if this thing does squeeze, I have a easy price target probably at about $5.10. But it is a very, very risky play alongside cost as well, trading at $7.33, up 3.31%. So cost and GameStop up about 3%, AMC Blackberry up about 6%. Now, over $495,100,000 have been liquidated from the crypto markets within the last 24 hours, which is the single largest Bitcoin liquidation event in history, just days after Jim Cramer told investors to buy and called Bitcoin a winner. Now, you can't make this up. On top of that, MicroStrategy did buy another 55,500 Bitcoin worth about $5.4 billion. He has been hinting at purchasing $3 billion on Monday. Guess what? He bought a little bit more. Bitcoin is down 3%, trading at 95K, actually holding support in a consolidation phase. We want to see Bitcoin hold up right here, but either way, we do have not a lot of time left for the month. So you're going to see a high close on the monthly candle, which is ultimately a very good thing to see for Bitcoin. But what does this mean in the cycle period that we're in? It means that Ethereum is now about to outperform Bitcoin. It's up 2%, trading at 3,400. All my Ethereum buyers, my Ethereum holders, congratulations, because it's finally the time. I say it. Now's the time to hold your Ethereum bags for maybe 5 months or 4 months or a little bit less than that, or maybe a little bit more than that. I think Ethereum is finally about to outperform Bitcoin in the medium term and come up to 4,200, 5,000, right? Maybe one of those levels Ethereum is about to come up to. But what does this mean for altcoins, meme coins, so on and so forth? Here is the phase that we are in, okay? Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin and large caps are going parabolic. This is the phase that you are seeing, and we've been talking about it. We are getting close to being done with the crypto market. We probably have about 3 months left of this crypto bull cycle. Again, that's just a thrown out prediction. We could have much longer. We could have a much shorter, right? But ultimately, the only reason I say that is because I see the market crashing, the stock market, by around February, March latest. And I don't think the bull cycle is going to hold a lot of strength if the stock market's crashing. Ultimately, regardless of market cap, some altcoins with strong fundamentals are having pumps. And then phase 4, which is altcoin season or alt season, as you will, everything's ripping, right? Memes are ripping, so on and so forth. So if your memes haven't run or jumped just yet, just sit tight for like 5-6 weeks. And along those weeks, if you check it a little bit less every day, one day you'll probably wake up to a nice, decent profit. Nothing I say is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Robinhood just listed with ticker symbol WIF. This is another crypto dog with hat. I used to hold this a while back. I don't anymore. We need to talk about the SPY to close out the video. U.S. economic data this week on Tuesday. So tomorrow we have consumer confidence, new home sales data. We have a lot of catalysts coming out this week for the market, with a lot of data coming out. Wednesday, Q3 GDP, jobless claims, durable goods, and Chicago PMI, core PCE inflation, pending home sales, Fed FOMC minutes, and then you have Thanksgiving where the market is closed. Here is what you need to know. Investors love to go risk off coming into a holiday, and if we have any bad data, this could really make the market nosedive, coming down to about 574. If we have some good data, people are going to load up prior to Thanksgiving. Ultimately, yesterday we said, hang on real quick, yesterday we said we would like to see the SPY break above this level at 597. We also said that's the more likely scenario. Again, we called these things out perfectly. That is exactly what happened. However, the SPY couldn't actually hold up, and you can see that we are selling off below this level. Also fill the gap. You're looking for the SPY to hold support at most 594.50, okay, which is a weak support level. If SPY can hold this weak support somewhere where it's at right now, you could see runs coming into Wednesday, and then finally the market's going to be closed, all that other stuff. Ultimately, watching for a price target if we have some good news on Wednesday of 604.50. Okay, write that down, 604.50 on Wednesday if we have some good news. If we have some bad news, we're going to start a bleed, okay? Guys, if you want to know my trades as soon as I enter them, get in the Discord. The link is in the description of the video. I post my trades right in there as soon as I'm in. We also talk stocks and crypto. You can request videos. There's option sweep alerts in there, dark pool alerts, insider trade orders, and more. Market news, all that good stuff by our AI bots that shoot out signals for you guys. That is the top link because I think it's the most important one. There are a couple other ones that can hook you up before November is done, which is Moomoo. It's a free broker. Use this link, open an account through them, and once they approve you, it'll probably take 2 minutes. Make a deposit into your account, start trading over there. They're going to give you up to 15 free stocks to start off, as well as a $30 cash reward, and earn 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash. There is a little bit of a deposit criteria, but it is very, very small, and you can keep this money, trade with this money, or withdraw this money. So Moomoo's hooking you up, courtesy of them. There is 5 days left to get this promotion, okay? So if you want free money, go do that. My custom indicator is in the description. It detects patterns, gives price targets, and forecasts what the stock might do. Add that to your TradingView charts. Go get it. It's right here. Subscribe to the second channel where we will be uploading very, very, very soon. And leave a tip in the comments down below. That is it, guys. Let's make some money this week. Don't forget to get in the Discord. I love you all. God bless. Lottery Stocks out.